is our example number 3, and it is under SSA case. We need to determine the missing parts of the triangle ABC. As you can see, there is only one angle that is given. We cannot simply use the formula under the sum of the interior angle is equal to 180. So we cannot use that one. So let's have this step now. So for the step 1, we need to find A. Why A? Because there is one part, or its opposite side is given, so we can find its angle. And we can also use angle C, which is 120, and its opposite side is C, that is 19. As I've told you, as long as there is a given, like angle C is 120 degrees, its opposite side is 19, angle A is missing, but its opposite side is given. So there's only one missing part of this ratio, so we can use now sine A over A is equal to sine C over C. Because sine C over C is a complete ratio, or both angle and sides are both given, and angle A is missing and its opposite side is given. So for sine A here is missing, sine A over A is given, which is 10, is equal to sine C is 120, sine 120 degrees over its opposite side is 19. Next we'll find sine A over A is equal to, we'll get the equivalent of sine 120. Sine 120 is equal to 0.8660 over 19. So we will be multiplying now sine A and 19, and the result is 19 sine A is equal to, and we multiply 10 and 0.8660, the result is 8.6603. The next will be, we will divide both sides by 19. The result here is sine A, because we can cancel that one, or we can divide it, that will become 1, is equal to, as we divide 8.660 over 19, the result here is 0.4558. Now, we're looking for A, for angle A. So, it is now A is equal to arc sine multiplied to 0.4558. Using your calculator, that is shift sine 0.4558. The result here is, so A now is 27.1164, or simply 27 degrees. So this is now, angle A is 27 degrees. So the next step here is we need to find B. Find B. Since we have already 27 here, we have angle A, which is 27. Angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. With angle A and angle C, we need to find angle B. So this is now the solution. Angle A plus angle P plus angle C is equal to 180. Angle A is 27 degrees plus angle B is missing plus 120 is equal to 180 degrees. Now, 27 and 120, as we add them, the result is 147 degrees. Plus B is equal to 180 degrees. We need to add both sides by negative 147 the result here is that will become 0 plus b is equal to 180 plus negative 147. The result is 33. So b now is 33 degrees. So this is 33 degrees. So the next step now here is we need to find b. Find small letter b. Since angle b is given and its opposite side now is missing, so we can use sine b over b is equal to sine c over c. Sine b here is sine 33 degrees over b is missing is equal to sine c here is 120. Sine 120 degrees over c is 19. Using our calculator, sine 33 is equal to 0.5446 over b is equal to sine 120 is 0.8660 over 19. So the next will be, we will be multiplying b and 0.8660. The result is 0.8660b is equal to, we'll now multiply 0.5446 times 19. The result here is 10.3474. Now, we will divide both sides by 0.8660, 0.8660, so that we can remove, or we can find the value of b. So b here now is 10.3474 divided to 0.8660, that is 11.9485, or simply 11.95. This is now the value of b, 11.95.